Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the Home Mini is powered and reachable. Open the Google Home app and tap the Mini's card. This accesses device settings. Once in settings, scroll to audio or paired Bluetooth devices and choose Enable Pairing Mode so the Mini advertises itself. At the same time, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it nearby. Doing both steps now reduces waiting and avoids missed discovery, so you can move straight into pairing without interruptions. Once the Mini is advertising, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. The Mini appears with a name like Living Room Speaker. Tap it to pair. You'll see a confirmation prompt, accept it to complete pairing. After pairing, return to a music app and play a short clip to verify audio routes to the Mini. If sound is low, adjust either the app output or the Mini's volume. This step links audio streams so everything plays through the speaker. To finish, make the Home Mini your preferred Bluetooth speaker in app settings or phone quick toggles so reconnecting is automatic next time. If pairing fails, unpair the device on your phone and in the Google Home app, then repeat the earlier steps. This resolves most glitches. If audio stutters or disconnects, restart both devices and check for firmware or OS updates. These often fix compatibility issues. One key tip: move devices closer and away from crowded Wi-Fi channels to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.